If you're new to this world and wondering where to even start, this is for you. Whether you want more freedom, daily commissions, or just a way out of your 9 to 5, here are 6 quick digital marketing tips I wish I knew sooner. Tip 1: it's not about going viral. You don't need millions of followers. You just need to solve a problem for the right person. One post, one story, one connection can change everything. Tip 2: pick one platform, one offer. Trying to be everywhere, burnout. Start with one platform you like and one offer you believe in, like DMSO. Get consistent. Results follow clarity. Tip 3: don't sell the product, sell the transformation. People don't care about features, they care about what it will do for them. Will it give them time freedom, financial peace, flexibility? Paint the picture. Tip 4: leverage the power of stories. Your story matters, even if it's messy, even if you're not there yet. Share your why. Your audience connects with realness, not perfection. Tip 5: master the CTA. Always give your viewers something to do. DM you, click the link, drop a keyword. Without direction, people scroll and forget. Tip 6: focus on consistency over perfection. Done is better than perfect. Keep showing up. Learn, test, tweak. The results don't come from one post, they come from the pattern. You don't need to be techie. You don't need a huge audience. You just need a system, belief, and consistency. Want to learn the system that helped me get started? Click the link in the description or check out the Digital Magnetic System.